Not much you can't do actually now. And as of next week, there'll be even less.
Let's get into some more of the nitty gritty, like the technical stuff or some things
Sure.
that you could do. So there's so much you could do in here, guys. I mean,
not much you can't do actually now. And as of next week, there'll be even less.
Oh wow! Can we talk about that, or is that like?
Oh sure, yeah. We've got our big level update next week, and we do this every year. We've done it now all 5 years, and the last 2 years it's in person. This year will also be in person, and I'm proud to say we sold out very early on this year, so that's cool. But we'll announce a ton of new features and we've been holding them back for the last 3 weeks, so that's made my job very difficult because that's my favorite thing to do is release new features. But yeah, I mean, again, holistically, we've always said, hey, listen, who are we not serving, right? So, one of the biggest markets we haven't been serving is e-com. So we'll have our e-com offering dropping next week so that we'll be able to take that on. And I think there's such a big market for people who maybe aren't doing e-com today because they think of it as just kind of this huge, like too hard kind of thing. But I think by simply adding it into high level where they're already selling products and funnels, or they're already selling products and invoices, they already are doing that thing, they could turn that e-com on or just start to offer it. And I think by being in a one-stop shop like that for their customers, all of a sudden they're going to have a whole nother line of business that they can go after. And then over the years, just talking to e-com only agencies, even, I always assume like Shopify would win or WooCommerce would win or something like that. But reality is people don't, the businesses, and this is actually what we've discovered all along, the business owners themselves, they don't, whether they know about these platforms or not, they don't really care. What they want is a solution to a problem. And if an agency can provide that, it's not about the technology. The technology is an enabler. And so by putting it all together in one spot, I know we can do a really great job for people. And even something like Shopify, for example, if you do any SMS marketing or email marketing, you have to buy another product in order to do that with them. And we're already going to put that in one. So right away, we've got a lot of big advantages there. So e-com is going to be big. Our conversational AI is huge. So I think every business going forward is going to have a conversational AI solution of some sort or another. And so we have been putting out our conversational AI solution, and you'll see a big update to that next week. We'll be bringing in live chat, so you can actually do real-time chat on the website, but it's all, you can obviously do it manually, but it's really designed to be powered by the AI. So there's a lot of really big updates coming down that I think people are going to love.
Man, a lot to unpack right there. Question. So the e-commerce part, so is that basically like it's going to integrate with Shopify? So like when people...
it's going to replace Shopify. We already have a Shopify integration today, but our goal is, let's do e-com natively. Let's have a native e-com option for people. So yet another product you don't have to buy. It's all in high level. It's all part of the package. It's just right there.
Dude, that is badass. That's pretty cool. Hey, thanks for tuning in to the video. If you're an alpha business owner and investor trying to build a dominant brand, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel so you could do just that. And if you want to catch this full interview in its entirety, make sure you subscribe to the Underdog Empowerment channel on YouTube to catch this full interview. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to catch you on the next interview. Peace.